Hey guys, my name is Faith and today I'm sharing with you guys my new book. This is so exciting for me to share Plant Biased with you guys because it basically represents 8 years of me learning, experimenting, recipe development, and now I get to share everything I've learned in one little book so that it can help you guys transition to a more plant-based diet. So this book contains over 90 of my favorite easy go-to vegan recipes that I've been using over the years. Each recipe has a photo to go with it, which I personally love in a cookbook. It also contains tips on how to transition, how to live with people when no one else eats a plant-based diet, how to meet your nutritional needs, all kinds of different protein sources. So I really hope that this book is helpful for any of you guys transitioning or wanting to just include more plants into your diet. You can now purchase the book on Amazon or on my website, theconscientiouseater.com. It comes in this print version or in an ebook or Kindle format. So I will leave all the information down below. I would love to hear from you if you purchased it, what you think of it, if it's been helpful, whether you're sharing it with your friends and family, and I really hope you guys enjoy it because I put a lot of time and effort into this and I want it to be helpful for you as you guys include more plants into your diet. So leave your comments down below, let me know if you purchased it, and I will be seeing you guys in more upcoming videos. Bye!